What's going on, guys? Marcus Zark here, and we're talking about Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is currently trading at only $7,651.67. It had a gain of about 1.85% today. So Bitcoin, man. So I want to talk about Bitcoin because I actually seen an article the other day about Bitcoin being cheap, right? Cheap Bitcoin on the market right now. I kind of agree with that. And the reason why is because Bitcoin had a huge rally in the end of December and early, January. That's when this big rally started to take off. Really in like beginning of December, the rally really started to really increase, especially with the price of Bitcoin. Um, Bitcoin is pretty much, down from its sky highs, right? If we go to this website here, excuse me. So on Chain FX, we can see the all-time highs. I just want to go ahead and take a look at the percentage of what the percentage is now from its all-time highs until now, how big of the drop it was. Uh, Mainly Bitcoin. So let me go ahead and look for Bitcoin here, like price. There we go. So we got Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is 9.4 years old. So let me go ahead and check mark the percentage down from all-time highs, which will show me good data of, where we stand right now. So the price of the percentage is down about 62% from the all-time highs of about $19,000 for one Bitcoin. So that just shows me that, the price is down, which shows me that you getting a better bang for your buck now if you buy it now because it's 62% cheaper from the all-time high price. So that's a good way for you to look at, a cryptocurrency if you're looking to buy on and hopefully increase with this price. So I think it's good margins right now for the price of Bitcoin, where it stands right now, which is at $7,641. And for this price, hopefully to increase as high as $20,000 and higher because there's been a lot of talk about that. So back to, I'm going to show this article before I actually get into this buy zone, something I'm calling about, when you see on the chart. So before I get into that, this article back in, is from this hedge fund owner. He's talking about, Bitcoin right now is still cheap. Like I said, I believe Bitcoin is cheap. So I definitely agree with this guy. So he kind of goes into the details about it, which reached the highs of 19,500 for one Bitcoin, and at the end of December, early January. Then the price dipped below $6,000 in February. So this price been pretty much in the $6,750 range as far as the bottom of Bitcoin, I believe. So as we go to the charts of TradingView, I call these buy zones. And the reason why I call these buy zones right now is because every time you see the price of Bitcoin drop within this price range of about $6,743, and as we go up here to about $7,788. So within that range, this is considered a buy zone, because I call that because I don't know what they call it out there. I don't know if it's a different term for it. So I'm just going by calling it buy zones. And this buy zone, like I said, if you would have gotten into this Bitcoin price, it hit its highs of about $11,636. So that would have been a wise move to make. Then it kind of dropped down here in the $9,544 and the $45 range. Then it hit back up to its highs again, which hits the resistance of about $11,636. So, and then it goes back down again. It kind of hits this, touches support right here where I have it at now, which is about $7,454. And then it goes lower. It goes through the support in this buy zone right here of about $6,800 and $6,900. And then it goes back up to about the $9,600 range. So it just shows me that these buy zones right here is a good opportunity to get cheap Bitcoin. If based on previous data, it seems like there is some type of support for Bitcoin in this price range of about, $6,800. So, it definitely can get lower. It definitely can get cheaper, but, from its all-time highs of about, $19,000 to $20,000 and the limited supply of Bitcoin, it just blows my mind that the price of Bitcoin won't increase. It won't go back up. So, especially it been talked with the stock market is going to crash soon. That's the rumor on the street. So, who knows? A lot of that money might flow into cryptocurrency. And, like I said, if a lot of money, goes into Bitcoin itself, with the limited supply of Bitcoin, the price is going to go sky high. So, a lot of people is predicting, $50,000, $40,000 within that range for one Bitcoin in the next, 12 to 24 months. So that just show you the possibility of, big gains for Bitcoin if you're a long-term investor and you believe in it. So with that said, give this video a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs down. All feedback is good feedback. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below and let me know if you think this is good data, with these buy zones. Let me know. Like I said, I'm trying to get better with my charts and graphs and things like that. So, have a good one, guys.